Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. This fella's your host, Bill Miller. Super excited today because we're going to be doing an unboxing, a mystery unboxing, of some graded comics that I picked up in an auction months and months ago. Probably not going to get through all of them in one video. It might be 2 or 3 videos, but this will be the initial one. Here is the box. And we'll go ahead and open this guy up. So I don't know what's in here. We will find out together. As a matter of fact, I will try to let you see them before I see them. That way you get to find out first. All right. Trusty box cutter made for right-handers. There we go. All right, we'll do 3 videos. And in this first one, we'll do 9 books. So not looking. You get to see it first. And there we go. All right. Very cool. We've got Batman number 457, DC Comics, December of 1990. First appearance of Tim Drake as Robin, Scarecrow appearance. Alan Grant story, Norm Brayfogle and Steve Mitchell art, Norm Brayfogle cover. This is a CGC 9.2 with white pages. So pretty cool. I think I may hold on to this one for mini musings since he's a big Batman fan. On the back we have an advertisement for a video game, Rad Racer 2. So Batman 457. All right, next. Oh boy. Yes, indeed. I'm very excited about this one. Awesome. So this is Conan the Barbarian number 23. Marvel Comics, February of 1973. First appearance of Red Sonja. Adapted from the Robert E. Howard story. Roy Thomas story, Gil Kane cover, Barry Windsor Smith, Sal Buscema, Dan Adkins, and Chick Stone art. This is a 9.2 with off-white pages. So I will definitely be keeping this one. I have a pretty beat up reader copy, so now we're good. Now on the back we've got Rip Snorton 3-wheeled Sizzlers powered racing machines, chop cycles. So Conan the Barbarian number 23. Very cool. All right, next. Oh boy. Pretty excited about this one. We've got Doctor Strange number 11, Marvel Comics, December of 75. Steve Englehart story, Gene Colan and Tom Palmer art, Gene Colan and Frank Giacoia cover. This is a 9.4 with off-white pages. On the back, look who's smiling now. This son of a bitch. Because I got Conan number 23. So Doctor Strange number 11. I collect Doctor Strange. That one will be staying with me. Let's see what else we got. All right. I collect Godzilla. So we've got Godzilla number 1, Marvel Comics, August of 77. Nick Fury, Dum Dum Dugan, and Jimmy Woo appearance. Godzilla Pinups by Dave Cockrum. Doug Monk's story, Herb Trimp and Jim Mooney art, Herb Trimp cover. And this is a 9.2 with off-white to white pages. Now I already have this, I already have number 1, so this one will be sold at some point in the future. And on the back, we got some street balling. Godzilla number 1. All right, you ready? Bam. Oh boy. I'm definitely keeping this one. I'm certainly a fan of this series. So we have Goon Color Special number 1, Albatross, 2002. First color Goon story, first Albatross title. Eric Powell, story, cover, and art. And this is a 9.4 with white pages. And most of his covers are painted covers. This one being no exception. On the back, very nice. It's the Goon and Frankie. So the Goon Color Special number 1. Very excited to have that guy. All right, what do we got next? Here we go. Oh boy. We like this one too. Super excited. It's Hellboy Darkness Calls number 4. Dark Horse Comics, July of '07. Mike Mignola cover and story, Duncan Fegredo art. This is a 9.6 with white pages. So I collect Hellboy. I will indeed be keeping this one. And on the back, we have more Mignola art. So Hellboy Darkness Calls number 4. All right, there we go. Another one. Boom. Oh goodness. I certainly am a fan of Luke Cage. So we have Hero for Hire number 7, Marvel Comics, March of 1973. Atomic Explosion cover, Christmas cover. Steve Englehart story, George Tuska and Billy Graham art, Billy Graham cover. This is a 9.2 off-white to white pages. I don't believe I have this one, and if that is indeed the case, this will certainly be staying with me as I collect the Hero for Hire title. And on the back, we have a LaSalle Extension University coupon. So Luke Cage, number 7. All right. here we go. Bam. Excellent. Very excited about this one. This is the Invaders number 8, Marvel Comics, September of 1976. Roy Thomas story, Frank Robbins and Frank Springer art, Jack Kirby and Frank Giacoia cover. This is a 9.4 with white pages. That is a beauty. I collect the Invaders, so this guy will be staying with me. And on the back, we have an advertisement done by Jack Davis for Spalding gloves. Very cool. Look at all those right-handers. You don't want to be looking for a glove as a left-hander. All right, we'll do one more for this video, just to keep it within reason as far as the length. And here we are. All right, super exciting. Mega cool. We've got Iron Man number 15, Marvel Comics, July of '69. Last 12-cent issue. 2 color variants exist, Unicorn and Red Ghost appearance. Archie Goodwin story, George Tuska and Johnny Craig cover and art. This is a 9.2 with off-white to white pages. And I collect Iron Man, so this one will certainly be staying with me. And on the back, it's like they're talking to me. You can finish high school at home. Iron Man number 15. And that will do it for the auction comics that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. And if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're alerted as soon as I release new videos. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. Remember, we're taking over the world one comic book at a time.